So Bitcoin's price is curling over right now. I do expect to see parabolic moves to the downside. If you look to the left over here, you see the parabolic lows that brought us up to this area, and I do expect the price to retest these zones here. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svensson, and we're going to do another Bitcoin price update. The price just broke below 5,900, 5,875 right now. It's pretty interesting to be looking at the price of Bitcoin and seeing the numbers 5,874. We are now below the 6,000 support line. The critical support line here, guys, $6,000. You know, most traders, most people who are watching Bitcoin, we're watching this support trend. We are now below that. We are below the 6K mark. So, guys, at this point, it is pretty hard to tell exactly where the price is going to stop. There's no support coming in right now, guys. We're below the most critical Bitcoin support line. The price has not been this low since you know, mid-October. If you're looking at it from the 3-minute perspective, there's still no support, guys. The sellers are really just stepping in right now. Guys, if you remember, throughout you know, the past few months, I've been talking about how the people who have been buying Bitcoin since, like, you know, $250 lows are still sitting on profits, so they have no problem taking profits here. This is still a profit zone, guys, and this is why I have been, you know, preaching on this channel that it is not a good time to buy Bitcoin. The bear market has not even begun yet. The bear market is just beginning now. Now that we're breaking below the 6K mark, we're finally making lower lows. This is the lowest point Bitcoin has been, you know, since that initial news hype era. So I'm looking at it from the weekly perspective right now. The next support lines we're looking for is $5,400, $5,000, and after that, guys, it's looking like you know, 4K, sub 4K, and it's, you know, guys, the price getting down to these levels is really not going to take all that much effort from the bears. The bulls are running out of steam completely, guys. Anybody who wanted to buy Bitcoin already did, and now all the buyers are gone, and the only thing left is sellers. So this is a seller's market. The price is most likely going to be breaking below these support levels. So if you're looking at the 4-hour chart, we've had a touch to the downside here. That low was about 5,900. The price just retested that zone and ended up breaking below it. So we've just created a lower low. So people who are looking for a double bottom pattern to play out here, in my opinion, this is definitely a weak sign, the fact that we created a lower low here. So yes, at this moment it is a double bottom, but the low is lower than the last low. So that definitely indicates a lot of weakness in the market. So I would definitely be I would be pretty hesitant to buy Bitcoin at these prices, even though if you are looking at it from the daily perspective, if you're looking at this area, the price, you know, pretty much had a straight shot straight from basically $10,000 up here to 5,800, 5,900, and so we're sitting in this zone. You know, getting a bounce out of this area is you know, it's a possibility. I'm not saying it's not possible, but it's looking very, very weak right now. The volume is very low. And guys, in my perspective, that is definitely not a good sign. We're below the 6K support. So psychologically, when people are looking at the price of Bitcoin and they see the numbers, you know, they see $5,000, people haven't seen that since the initial, you know, news hype era. So this is definitely going to be a psychological moment for a lot of Bitcoin holders. I think a lot of people are going to sell. There's going to be, I think most likely, I think we're going to see a panic sell. And the price is going to get pushed down to, you know, the last parabolic low, which is this area right here. I think it's very likely that we're going to be retesting this area in the near future. But we'll see how the price reacts to, you know, we'll see how people react to this price level. Seeing that Bitcoin did break below the 6K mark, seeing that it was weak enough, it was a weak enough market to actually break below that area. We broke below that area twice now within the same day, so that's definitely a bearish indication. And lastly, I just want to give a big shout out to Ahmad Alamari, who is the first person to donate to this channel. If you guys do appreciate what I've been doing on this channel, letting you guys know what I think the price of Bitcoin is going to be doing in the future, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe button. And if you guys want to donate, there's a link in the description. But guys, thank you so much for joining, and I will see you soon.